Ranking the worst stutters in history.
Or something if it was candy. But you see, I thought it was, I would've, oh my fucking God.
Time out. Y'all know, hold on, wait. Y'all know.
Giggity.
Shut the fuck up! Shut up, bitch!
Oh my god, you're so cute.
You know,
Well, my first year, I played in.
Good luck.
Which of these is a carnivorous plant? Carnivore means it's eat. It eats meat. It eats meats.